Can I integrate your system with my existing CRM if I don't want to use Go High Level? Yes, you can. So we are automation experts. We'll use Zapier or Make, and we will still send it into the CRM snapshot that we make specifically for you, but we'll connect an automation that drops it into your CRM, right into your new lead section, and we can make that happen. Who owns the data and leads if I terminate the service? You do. You can take all the data. The data is always in a Google Drive folder for you that you have access to, so you can download that at any point. Same with the leads. We don't keep your leads, take your leads. They're in a snapshot in the CRM that's only you have access to, and you can download a CSV file with all of your leads and take those with you if you want. In addition, with the data in the Google Drive folder, not only do we give you the skip trace data, but after we call it, we get the data with the dispositions. That means we give you the data back again with a column that has all the people that we called and what happened. So if they said, don't call us again, we're not interested, or if it turned into a lead, all that's there. The benefit of that is when you have that data, it's further refined. So you can go ahead and you can mail that data and you could remove all the people that we've already talked to or heard from.